GBPUSD bearish possibility has become solid as the recent Pierce action failed to hold the bullish momentum above the dynamic 20 EMA. The price rebounded immediately and formed multiple bearish rejection candles at the 1.3176 resistance level. Therefore, as long as the price trades below the 1.3176 level, it may extend the selling pressure towards the 1.300 area. This technical analysis shows that the RSI is still bearish as it failed to breach the neutral 50 level. Moreover, the price found the 20 EMA as a confluent resistance that may increase the selling momentum. In this context, bears may regain the momentum to lower the price towards the 1.300 area in the coming days. However, the bearish sentiment is valid as long as the price trades below the dynamic 20 EMA in the daily chart. A bullish candle above the 1.320 level might alter the current market structure and increase the price towards the 1.3300 area.